Okay, this is problem 3, standard 8, SPA 4. We're going to use relative frequencies. In other words, right now we're going to use percentages calculated for rows or columns to describe associations between the two variables. Two groups of volunteers participated in an experiment. One group was asked to drink tea at 7 each night. Okay, drink tea, see tea. The second group was asked to turn off all lights and electronics for 30 minutes before bed. No electronics or lights. After 1 week, all participants were asked if there was improvement in their quality of sleep. The results are in the table below. Okay, now notice there are no total categories here, but we could add them if we need to. Okay, I'm just going to put them there in case we need them. Now let's see what it asked me. A total of how many volunteers participated in the study? So the first thing we need to do is figure out the total number of people that participated in the study. Okay, so let's do this. The totals here of people who had tea was 28, right? 16 plus 12. The total of those who did no electronics or lights was 18, okay? The total that saw improvement was 26. The total that saw no improvement was 20. How many total people participated? 26 plus 20 would be 46, wouldn't it? See if your 28 and 18 also equals 46, because you should have the same answer either direction. 18 plus 26 will give you, 28 plus 18, 46. So we get 46 either way. The total number of people who participated in the study was 46. Approximately what percent of the participants who drank tea each night? What percent of the tea drinkers? That means out of the 28. What percent of the 28 reported improvement in their sleep? Improvement, that would be 16 of the 28, okay? So we would divide 16 by 28 and multiply by 100. 16 divided by 28 times 100 will give you about 57%. Say about 57% who drank tea, that's just of those who drank tea, saw improvement, right? Approximately what percent of the participants who spent 30 minutes without lights and electronics, that's these 18 people here, reported improvement in their sleep? Well, let's see. Who said they got improvement? 10 out of the 18. Okay, so then you'd multiply that by 100. 10 divided by 18 times 100. 10 divided by 18 times 100 would give you about 56%. So about 56% of the participants who spent 30 minutes without lights or electronics reported improvement in their sleep. Notice how we were very careful to figure out of what. Here it was of those who drank tea. Here it was of those who went without electronics. So we found that this is the number who did tea. This is the number who did electronics.